Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making strawberry and cherry crisp. So I'm going to start with some strawberries. We're just going to cut them in quarters. And you roughly need about 2 cups. That's about 1 cup. Second cup, okay, this rough estimate. Get these cut in half. Make sure you wash your strawberries. Give them a little wash. Just going to chop some strawberries. Just going to chop the ends off. Think in quarters. Good amount of strawberries in there. Now we're gonna pit some cherries. Gonna wash the cherries. Get yourself one of these, a cherry pitter. Just taking the stems off now. Now we're gonna start pitting the cherries. Gonna put it there and pit right out, right into the pot. Crumble is so fun and easy to make. Very similar to the apple crisp. Medium fire, a little above, medium high heat. Half a cup of white sugar. Got some orange juice instead of water. 3/4 of a cup of that. Cherry liqueur, cook that out. While the berries are getting happy, we'll start with the crumble. Cup of flour, cup of quick oats, 1 cup brown sugar. Berries are getting happy, give them a good stir. Half a cup of melted butter. I'm just gonna do a small burst in the microwave to get it melted. Mix everything up a little. So we need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, or 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix everything up. Once everything's mixed up pretty good, melted butter, mix that all in. See how it's kind of clumping together? That's what you want. Looking good. Okay, so that's ready. Put that aside. Berries are getting happy, almost soft. Mash them up a bit. And you want to cook the berries for about 10 minutes. And with berries, you'll also get some sediment. Take that off. This is kind of the white stuff. Skim it off. Yeah, so you try to get this foamy stuff off best you can. Making a cornstarch slurry for the berries. Almost 2 tablespoons. And you add about the same amount of cold water. So all we're gonna do is dump the cornstarch slurry all at once. Stir in. And you notice the berries will start getting thick. That's what you want. And cook that cornstarch out for a few minutes. Toss all our berry stuff into a baking dish. Dump it all in. Preheat your oven at 375. Take your crumble, the crumbly stuff. Dump it all on top of the berries. Spread it out with my hands. Get it all over the berries, evenly distributed. Yes, you want to bake it for about 25 minutes till it gets all golden brown on top. Berry crisp in the oven. Our crisp is done. Okay, pull it out. But it looks like the berries kind of got a little bubbly or whatever, which is fine. If it tastes good, it's all good, right? Cherry and strawberry crisp. Some crumble there. Oh, it's looking good. Give our crumble a try. There we go. Cherry and strawberry crisp. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and doing all those things really help out my channel, so make sure you do that. And if you're not sure what to comment, just leave a heart emoji, and that's perfect. Thanks again, and do make some strawberry and cherry crisp. This is my dessert. Bye.